Okay. So what's up, guys? Welcome to another video of the DJ Gorilla. For this video, we're going to be playing some Animal Company. And also, we're going to have some fun with Bill in it. I heard it's a crazy game. And also, I think we're going to lose our minds in the game. So let's go right into it.
Ah! What is
oh my god,
game?
will you leave your mouth?
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
Why do you look like that? Wait, there's something behind you. Wait, there's something. Wait, turn around. Oh my gosh, those things are moving. Wait, same thing. Hey, hold up.
Wait.
Hey, wait, this got my attention. Wait. Hold up, go in here,
Oh shoot.
Is it a teleporting device? Hold up, go in there.
Wait,
let's see.
I'm gonna go in. How do I open it?
Okay.
Wait, yeah, I'm gonna go in.
You will be my first. Okay, ready?
Oh, I'm gonna teleport.
3, 2, 1. Let's see. What? Still? Oh my gosh!
DJ, what's this?
What?
DJ, look, touch it.
I'm going to show you how to properly. You're so dumb. Wait, hold up, real
DJ.
quick. What's this?
Look at this. We have bolts. Wait.
Wait.
Okay, wait. What do we get? Yeah, there's so much stuff.
There's a wide.
What do we get? I'm gonna save it for now. I don't know about you. I'm gonna save it for now. Yeah, though. Okay.
I want
DJ,
that
come on. We have to
grenade.
go
Wait,
explore,
what?
bro. Let's actually do something. Come on. Let's go look.
Yeah.
Where do we go first? Look.
Why is it red over there?
Come on,
Okay,
bro.
hold up, real
Right
quick.
next to the mirror.
I'm going to show you how to properly turn this device off. So what you want to do
Oh.
is you see this.
Ways to die.
Wow, you're very smart.
I kind of sneezed, so I mean, yeah.
Oh, okay. What the heck? What's that?
What's that? Oh, it's the ink for the. Oh shoot!
Holy crap!
Oh my gosh!
DJ!
Oh my gosh!
Bro!
What the heck was that? Oh shoot! Okay. My guy went like a torpedo. What's
Okay,
that?
DJ, I have another idea. What about we try that again? But this time we don't move when it's red.
Oh, I'm moving whether it's red or not.
DJ,
What?
if it's red, don't move.
Okay, it's green. How do you know this?
Last time when it was red, we kind of died.
Oh.
DJ, be careful.
Then
with
get
your
out of
mouth.
here! Can we move? Yeah, we can move. Okay. Should we grab the light?
Oh.
What?
DJ,
Oh!
stop it.
Button! Button!
Stop.
Hey! Wait, real quick. Stare in this. Hey, hold up, real quick. Look at my new shotty. You ready?
DJ, I have an idea. Look, we have a compass. Wait, maybe we should try something else.
Hold up. Grab a backpack. Oh, crap. Wait. Wait, can you open this? How do you open this?
It just exists. Come on, DJ. You have all this stuff now. Come on.
Oh, I opened it!
What do you think that red dot on your watch means?
What red dot?
That's strange. DJ.
Oh, shoot. Whatever you do not jump off. If you do, what you just did, Dill, look. Look,
Yeah,
at the
look.
minefield. Now, what we're gonna do is try to pass there without dying. Okay, challenge.
Look at your watch.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay, let's go through it. I swear.
Be careful. You're just a...
Oh, no! Rest in peace, amigos. Wait, where? Here we go.
I'm gonna put them in your backpack. Let me put them in. Open it.
Oh, shoot.
Let me put it in the backpack. There we go.
Oh my.
20 minutes later.
Monkey generator.
Oh shoot! Get out!
What?
Don't do that to me. Put them in there first. You have to put them in. You have them in your backpack.
Okay, hold up. We're gonna do it one by one.
Dump it out. I want the flashlight.
Hey, I bought that flashlight.
Wait, what? Yeah, I have it. Now leave, please.
Now what?
I'm fine!
Oh!
We got cash!
Wait. How much money do we have? Oh,
I have an idea.
I want to buy. I hope I have it. I don't have enough. We talked about this. I have to give him CPR. Oh no, he's not living. No.
So,
Through the
I guess the objective.
Through the mouth.
What did he say?
Where is it? There it is.
Now you gotta open it.
Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to find the stuff, put it in, and then sell it. So that's
Okay, let's do horror. Let's do horror.
No, first we have to get the more bananas. Let's get the bananas as well. This one. I got it.
Let me put this back in there. Hold up, real quick. Let me just
Okay.
go. Oh, shoot my hand! You about to kill me?
You'll be okay, nerd.
Okay, you know what?
Check it out.
I got 40, 50, 49.
Same. Are you ready for the next adventure, sir?
Yeah. Yup. We're going to horror. What the heck?
Okay.
Crazy theme music. What it is.
Well, maybe we should. I guess we can go to horror.
Yeah.
Okay, but we have to be careful, DJ. Because remember, it's red light, green light. God.
Oh, Lord have mercy. I wonder. Let's get out of here.
Wait, look at your watch. There's yellow things. Those are the prizes that we can sell. The yellow things are prices that you can sell on your map.
There's a red dot coming! There's a red dot coming! Look. Wait, get your light out.
I don't have a light. Look, look at your backpack.
Where are you? Plunger! I wonder if... Yeah. We're rich.
DJ,
Where are you? Where are you?
DJ,
Where are you?
I'm
Where? That thing scared me. Let's see, I'm getting out of here. I'm in the cave. I'm in the cave. Look at your map.
I see you.
What's that X mark mean? Hold up.
Find me on your map.
I'm coming. Well, this is a problem. They're closing into me.
DJ, where are you?
Oh no. I see. There's toilet paper. Oh shoot!
It's in. DJ, it sent me up here. I'm back home.
Where?
DJ, there's a place inside of there where if you go. There's a place in there where if you go, it sends you back home. I'll show you next time you go there.
Okay,
Right now I'm at
okay.
the incinerator.
Okay.
I'm gonna put my loot I found in there.
My backpack is still in there. I gotta go get it.
Okay, you go get it. I'm gonna get the money.
Got it.
I just got $358, sir. Remember, talk through the walkie.
What does that X mark mean?
Where you died, I'm pretty sure.
I see a monster. Backpack.
Where are you, DJ?
Found some.
Where is it? I don't see. I can't find the monster.
Where? Oh
I'm
shoot.
terrified.
I'm terrified. Whoa. I became Spider-Man. I became Spider-Man with a plunger. What the heck? Oh no. Where are you?
It's terrifying. The monster ran at me at full.
What do you do at the teleport thing? I'm at it. What do you do with the teleport thing?
Click the exit button. There's like 3 exit buttons all around. Click it.
Okay.
And you'll teleport.
Wait, what?
Let me get my flashlight.
What if I drop my thing right on it?
Don't.
Do not grab that. just leave it on. Is this lore?
You first. What's up, sir?
Oh lord, I don't have a flashlight. What the heck? Wait, what's that? It's a sign of hope!
DJ, look behind you.
Why? Where did you go?
Right here. Look at that.
What is that? Oh crap. This is a horror. Wait, let's go up here first. Let's see if there's anything to explore.
And then there's this weird like thing.
Hey, I'm gonna touch it. Keep my belongings right here.
Look at all that loot right there.
Oh.
Get out before we die. Follow me. Get out before we die. Get out before we die. Don't move.
Oh my god. I think there's more loot down here. Okay. Now
Yeah,
guys,
we'll come back
if y'all
later.
want a
Just
part
cast
2,
them before we die.
guys, if y'all want to... Get me out of here! 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 He just died right in front of me! Get me out! Get me out!
20 minutes later.
Okay.
DJ, we can get past the eyeball, but we can't come back. Just don't go for loot, because we already have all of our loot.
Wait,
what
do
we
we?
need is the exit.
Actually, I can grab a lot more loot.
No, we already have some. What we need is to find the exit. We both got trophies. Now come on.
I don't know if I do anymore because it's not literally
DJ,
No, I think we're fine to go up.
just come on. DJ, we'll just explore.
No.
Follow me.
Okay, I follow you.
Dead end. Don't move.
Your eyes creepy. Over here.
Don't move.
Oh lord. Okay. Oh my god, run!
For you.
There was 5 monsters down there. They were 5. There was one of them that looked like a frog. One of them looked like a hippopotamus, and another one which was the eye that was sniffing my booty quack. And then you got sniped in the booty quack. Like, what the heck?
What's that?
It's the light. It's the light. Wait, is that how we're gonna end it for this video? Because we'll make a part 2.
Thank you guys for watching this video. We did hard work to make this video just for y'all guys. And also, one more thing to say.